Okay, folks, here we are. We're going to walk into 101 24th Street in Spirit Lake. This is going to be a 4-bed, 3-bath home. I believe built in the 90s. Light form foundation. A lot of space. Love the vaulted ceiling. Big living room. Good sized dining area as well. Nice kitchen. Updated deck here, and there's also an updated deck on the off the master. Nice big fenced in backyard, so if you have little furry ones, might be a nice benefit. It's a very mature neighborhood. Schools are close by. A lot of things to like. So we got 3 bedrooms up. Just got our basic ranch. Good sized closet there. Full bath with the tub here. Then we have our primary suite here, primary ensuite, and that deck has also been updated. So that's right off the bedroom. Nice sized walk-in closet. And 3/4 bath here as well. So we got 1 full bath, 1 3/4 bath up. Laundry. And then a nice big garage. 3-car, excuse me. The openers have been replaced, and so those look fairly new. Then a huge basement, basically the same footprint as upstairs, of course, but gas fireplace. Could easily add a bedroom with all this space, and then even another bedroom, you know, back here, just depending on how you design it. But this is a huge space. You can see the light form foundation. You can see the furnace is in really good shape. So is the water heater. Then we have a giant bathroom with a full tub, 2 closets there, here, and then a non-conforming bedroom here. I think they used it as a cellar, but a person could easily have an egress window to this room and have a nice bedroom as well. So a lot of space. It's going to be a good value at $369.